Opportunity cost is what a person sacrifices when they choose one option over another. Opportunity costs are everywhere and occur with every decision made, big or small. Imagine, for example, that today you spend $2,000 on fancy clothes, but you know you can survive by consuming only $100 on clothes and invest the rest of the money somewhere else. Let's say in a small business. Your opportunity cost is $1,900. Summing up, you're giving up on fancy clothes, but you're investing in something that will give you more money in the future. We usually measure the opportunity cost of time and money. A student spends 3 hours and $20 at the movies the night before an exam. The opportunity cost is time spent studying and that money to spend on something else. An opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative. So think about this when you make a decision. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe and I will see you on the next one.
Created using Powtoon.